Namaskaram, welcome to Chakkani Vantillu. Today's recipe is raw banana vadalu. These are our own recipes and our own poetry.
These look so yummy. How did you make them? Can you show me the process?
Sure, Athaya. I'll show you. Athaya, let's get started with the preparation. Raw banana, 3. Besan flour, 1 cup. Rice flour, 1 cup. We need additional ingredients such as green chilies, 8. Onion, 1. Ginger, small piece. Jeera, 1 teaspoon. We also need coriander, curry leaves, salt as per taste, oil as needed. First, place a bowl on the stove.
Yes, be careful.
Okay, gently now.
Perfect. Just like that.
Now, pour water into the bowl. Now add the raw bananas. Let them boil well. Now, check if the bananas are boiled. Switch off the flame. Take the bowl down. Peel the boiled bananas. Put them into a bowl.
Mash the bananas well.
Now, chop the onions, green chilies, and ginger. Now, chop the coriander and curry leaves. Now to the mashed bananas mixture, add besan flour and rice flour. Add the chopped ingredients. Add cumin seeds and salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Now place the kadai on the stove. Add oil. Let it heat well. Take a small banana leaf. Shape the mixture into vadalu. Gently drop them into hot oil. Fry them until golden brown. Take them out carefully. Athaya, please taste these.
The vadalu are so tasty, absolutely delicious.
Thank you, Athaya. Athaya, a little poetry. ఓ రైతన్న, ఎన్ని వడ్లు కొలిచావన్నా, నమ్ముకున్న నేల తల్లి, జన్మనిచ్చిన కన్న తల్లి. సాటిలేరు వీరికి ఎవ్వరు, సరిరారు నీకెవ్వరు.
My daughter-in-law made delicious vadalu and recited a lovely poem. You all must try this at home. See you soon with one more recipe.